The third and final step for setting up your Pro Tools system at home utilizing CSU Chico authorizations is setting up a piece of software called iLok License Manager. One assumption that we're making is that you had previously installed the Pro Tools 30-day free trial. If you haven't, then this software is not going to exist on your computer yet. This process is basically the same in either a Mac or a PC, so I'm just going to show the Mac version here. The first step, you need to log on to Global Protect VPN software. This connects you to the CSU Chico computer system. Final step, we utilize this iLok software. So you don't need to have an account. You don't need to log in. What you need to do is find where the preferences are. Turn on the software. And this, by the way, is spelled ILOK for iLok. And find the preferences. And then once you have the preferences open, scroll down to where it says My Connections. And this is something that you're really only going to have to set up once if you do it right. So the first thing you're going to want to do is check the box that says Automatically Connect to Licensed Servers Found on the Network LAN. Once you have that checked, click the plus sort of on the bottom left. And then from the pull-down menu, select Add Server with IP Address. Then you are going to put in the license server as you see here. And you would type in under the IP address 132.241.3.10. If you have done all the previous steps first, you should see a little green dot underneath where it says Connected. And this means you are ready to go with Pro Tools. If this seems really complicated to you, don't sweat this because you only have to do this once. And then every other time, the only thing that you're going to have to do is make sure that you log into the VPN and then log onto the MediaArts server. If you can remember to do those things, then using Pro Tools would be a breeze at home. As long as you have access to the VPN and the server, you will be able to get onto Pro Tools for free. If you have any problems with this, consult me, consult your teacher, or consult one of the technical staff in the MadTech department.